How to use Klarna in-store Walmart. To use Klarna for in-store purchases at Walmart, you can follow these general steps. If you haven't already downloaded the Klarna app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Klarna app and either create a new Klarna account or log in if you already have one. To use Klarna for in-store shopping, you'll need to link your Klarna account to a payment method. You can add your debit or credit card information to the app. Check if the specific Walmart store you plan to visit accepts Klarna for in-store payments. Not all Walmart locations may support Klarna. Visit the Walmart store and shop for the items you want to purchase. When you're ready to pay at the Walmart store, let the cashier know that you'd like to use Klarna as your payment method. Open the Klarna app on your smartphone. In the Klarna app, generate a one-time virtual card for the transaction. This card will be linked to your Klarna account and used for the payment. Provide the cashier with the virtual card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. You can typically find these details in the Klarna app. The cashier will process the payment using the virtual card, and your purchase will be completed. After your purchase, you can review the transaction in your Klarna account to ensure everything is accurate. So that was some easy steps how to use Klarna in store Walmart. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.